Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are making souvlaki in our limited street food series. This is episode 1, Greek street food. We are using 3 pounds of pork, center cut loin. Start by cutting into bite-sized pieces around 1 inch to 1.5 inch cubes. For the marinade, add 1 cup of olive oil, 4 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground clove, and 2 to 3 garlic cloves minced. Whisk 2 combined ingredients. Add salt and pepper to your liking to the pork and then add your marinade. Mix well to make sure that the marinade covers all of the pork. Cover and place in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Overnight is best. Let's start the tzatziki sauce. Peel 1 large cucumber. Then grate the entire cucumber. Add a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vinegar. Mix and set aside. Add 2 cups of Greek yogurt to a medium bowl, 2 teaspoons of dill, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar, juice from 1/2 of a lemon, and 2 garlic cloves minced. Give it a quick mix. Place grated cucumber into a strainer. Some of the liquid will drain out on its own. Push down on the cucumber to help the process. You can also place in a kitchen towel or cheesecloth and wring out the excess liquid. Transfer cucumber to the yogurt and give it a mix. Taste to see if any additional salt or pepper is needed. Preheat your grill and set to a medium flame. We are using metal skewers. You can also use wooden skewers if you want to. Just make sure to soak them in water for at least 30 minutes before you use them. Give your meat a quick stir, then start adding to the skewers. We placed 8 pieces of meat on each skewer. If using wooden skewers, you'll have enough for 15 to 18 kebabs, depending on the amount of meat you place on them. Place your skewers onto the barbecue and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each of the 4 sides, or until internal temperature reaches about 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Somebody has the zoomies. Once done, remove from heat and turn off the barbecue. To assemble, place your meat onto a pita, then add tzatziki, onion, tomatoes, and anything else you would like on your souvlaki. And there you have it, souvlaki from our street food series. If you like this recipe, please consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy!